Look at my writing buddies. Oh, how do we do this? There they are, all cute and stuff. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Rishay here, back again with another video. Welcome back to my mother's kitchen. I guess this is gonna be a new thing on this channel now, but it's been a while, guys. I got a new car. It's a 2011, so I'm super excited about that. I just started school again, which was a struggle because I didn't know what I was gonna do. I was supposed to travel abroad, and I wasn't able to do that due to the funding that I lost for this accident, the medical bills, and the buying a new car again, because the insurance really didn't help me much with that. But I know that's no excuse for missing the past couple weeks. Normally I put like a 10-minute video up, you guys. Oh wow, I'm super orange. Normally I put up a 10-minute video, but I realized that with school and my new internship and my 2 jobs, that's just not gonna work out. So we're gonna try shorter videos, and I know I now owe you 4 videos, because there's supposed to be 5 posted by the end of January. So I do owe you guys that. But this first video, I'm super excited because this is for my little niece, Leia. I was supposed to get it to her a while back. Well, they didn't give me a deadline, so that's why it's late. But I found it again, and I'm gonna finish this project for her. And then I'm gonna give it back to her. You probably won't see her wear it in this video. It'll just be like pictures, which is gonna be really boring for y'all. But if you wanna see how I turn this into this, well, keep watching. So the first thing I was gonna do was seam rip this lace piece. It's just in the way and it doesn't go to the back. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna throw that to the side because I don't need it. I took it off with a seam ripper, and then I just chopped it at the sides because I really just didn't want to deal with it. Next, we're gonna take our shears and basically chop an inch up. Yeah, so about an inch up. I was gonna go lower because she's outgrown this dress like a lot, and so she's bigger. But I feel like for now this should be good, because if I chop it lower, it might be a little too short for her. So I'm gonna chop it about an inch above, across, all the way across, and then fold it down. I actually pinned down the bottom part of the skirt so it would be easier to cut, and I just traced the little mark where the lace piece was because that was about an inch. Next, I noticed that on the back of the t-shirt there was a little bow, so at first I wanted to take it off and put it on the skirt, but then I decided that I was going to make her a little bow to put in her hair. So I grabbed my seam ripper and I went away seam ripping it. You guys, can I just say that this was the hardest thing to seam rip? Like, only at the ends. I could rip the rest off, but the ends were just the hardest. When I was done seam ripping it, I decided that I was gonna fold the ends over and just sew it down real quick with an invisible stitch. And then I was gonna take a little clip and glue it on the back. So as you guys can see, I took the skirt and folded it inside out. I was going to match up the seam allowance with the bottom seam allowance, so that way they both go the same way. And then I took the waistband and folded it in half, and I began pinning it down. There was no need to hide the edges because this fabric does not fray. So I pinned it down, and then I was just gonna take my thread and start hand stitching. If you guys remember in my 2-piece from my skirt, I showed you guys how to do an invisible stretch stitch, so it'll be linked up in the corner. Just click the eye. So this is what the circle skirt looks like. It's a half circle skirt, obviously. I thought about adding pockets to the sides, but honestly, that just seems like too much work. Don't forget to iron. I know that with this kind of fabric it's a little hard, but I don't have my iron, so just a reminder, if you're trying to do this with any kind of, I think this is like a polyester, don't forget to iron because it will look bulgy, kind of like that. Okay. Alright guys, so that's what I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos. Let me know, give a thumbs up, comment below. Yeah. See you next time. Bye guys.